Students, today is your first day computer online classes. My name is Mamta Gupta. Welcome to class 3 2020 and 21. I will teach you computer class 3 lesson first computer system. I will teach you then explain you main points of computer. Student, today I will teach you what is computer system. Introduction. What is a computer? Computer is an electronic machine that is used to generate information on data. It can also store, organize data and control other machine. Function of computer. There are various functions of computer that can be performed by computer. First, entering data, processing data, data storage, and data can store on external storage device, floppy, pen drive, CD, DVD. Hard copy. Output of data processing. Computer of parts of computer. Monitor. Monitor also known as VDU. What is the full form of VDU? Visual Display Unit. What is the full form of CPU? Control Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of computer. What is the brain of computer? CPU is the brain of computer. Computer, all calculation and comparison are performed by the CPU. CPU is also, it has three parts of computer: CU, MU, ALU. CU control unit, MU memory unit, and ALU arithmetical logic unit. Keyboard. Keyboard is an also input device. Which device? Input device. It helps us to enter data, and 105 keys are present on the keyboard. Fourth, mouse. Mouse, it helps us to select the required option on the screen, and it is an input device. Which device? Input device. Printer. Printer is an output device. Which device? Output device. Keyboard, mouse is the input device. Then monitor, printer is the output device. And what is the work of printer? Printer print on a paper. Software. Software is a set of instructions or program that tell to the computer to do the particular task. Which task? Particular task. First, soft copy to out copy. It means the information which appear on the computer screen and can be stored hard disk, CD, pen drive. Second, hard copy to output. It means the output which is printed on a paper. Where is printed on a paper? Hardware equipment functioning. The physical part of the computer called hardware. What is hardware? Physical part of the computer called hardware. They may attach outside of the computer that you can touch and feel. Hardware you can touch and feel. Types of hardware: monitor, mouse, keyboard, printer, plotter, scanner, joystick. What is IPO cycle? IPO cycle divided, there are three parts. They are input, process, output. Entering the data, calculation of the computer, then processing of the entered data, output, result given by the computer. It is the IPO cycle. Okay, then answer the following question. First question is, how to define a computer? A computer is an electronic machine that can store, organize and find information and do calculation. Question number 2. Name the various parts of computer. The parts of computer: hardware, monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, printer, plotter. Then second, software: MS Paint. Question number 3. What is hardware? What is software? Hardware are the parts of computer that you can touch and feel. Number 2, software. Software is set of instructions or program that tell the computer to do the particular task. Question 4. What are the main function of computer? Answer. The main function of computer: first, entering the data; second, processing the data; third, data storage; fourth, output of the data. Question number 5. Name the various parts of computer hardware: monitor, keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, printer, plotter. Question number 6. What is IPO? A computer works in 3 steps: first, input; second, process; third, output. This is the called is an IPO cycle. What is called IPO cycle? Pick the correct. A computer is an fill-up machine. First, manual, electronic input. Answer is electronic. Second, CPU is the fill-up of computer. Heart, brain, lungs. Answer, brain. Third, a keyboard, about fill-up keyboard on it. 27105624. Answer is 105. Fourth, fill-up has got a stick to give on signals. Drumstick, joystick, body stick. Answer is joystick. Fill in the blanks. Is used to move things on a computer. Answer, mouse. Second, is used to input our work. Answer, keyboard. Third, is processed by the CPU, data. Fourth, is an output device, printer. Now chapter is over. Student, homework is there. You draw the mouse, monitor and CPU on your copy and learn the question answer. Good day.